New launch, new glory. Continuously moving forward is a force and the spirit of the age. Now, Skyworth Air-conditioning announces its launching as the key part of the complementary of black goods and white goods. As the pillar industry in the new age, Skyworth Air-conditioning improves the industrial deployment of Skyworth Group. A whole new production base with total area of 270,000 square meters. An elite team consists of 200 people from the top AC enterprises with the average industry experience of more than 10 years. With the all-new products, core technologies, and solid quality, Skyworth Air-conditioning is challenging the top brands of the industry. With a creative marketing strategy and strong promotion support, Skyworth Air-conditioning is quickly occupying the market. Moving forward, with its quick development, Skyworth Air-conditioning is painting the blueprint of the glory future. Skyworth